Hi, I'm here from M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to give you some tips and pointers to help you with accuracy when you do the sew and flip method. It's a method that's often used to make half square triangles, like the 2 at a time. When you're just flipping to make like a diagonal, like these diamonds, or the house top here, flying geese, even snowballs. This is a method that's often used in patterns, but I find that this method for me, it's not my most accurate. So I wanted to give you tips and tricks to help you be successful with this method. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. My first tip is to make sure that you have all the edges of both fabrics lined up and square with each other. My next tip is to make sure that you do draw the line. I know that it can be quick and easy just to stitch that across and eyeball it, but you won't be as accurate if you do that. The next tip is to stitch on the outside edge of the line rather than directly on the line. Once you get that seam sewn, then you're going to want to set that seam by pressing the iron down on it before you flip it back, and make sure that once you've pressed it that all of those edges line up. I hope that helps you with the flip and sew method so that you can be accurate and precise with your piecing. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.